Hello everyone, Randy here with Retire with Options. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty big option expiration day for me, and I just thought I'd run through some of the options that are going to expire tomorrow. You can see I have very few actual long positions. I've got 100 shares of Apple, 200 shares of J&J, 120 shares of M&M, 3M, and 5 shares of Amazon. So, as you can see, this is mostly my options account. I had a $649 negative realization on swapping out an option today. That's where this comes from. And that was on an Apple call. I had a $2.95 call, and it has a dividend tomorrow, and I actually want to try to keep Apple. So I sold that $2.95 call, and I replaced it with a $3.05 call. I still may get called out, but we'll just see. I've got a $2.72 put, sold for $1.09. It's at 0 or 1 now. I've got M&M, a $1.55 call. Sold it for $1.95. It's at 2 cents, so it's going to expire worthless. Apple $2.75 put. I had one of those, $2.87, going to expire worthless. Netflix, a $3.85 put, going to expire worthless. Apple $2.90 put. It's at 12 cents, so it's probably going to expire worthless. Netflix $4.05 put. Again, 12 cents, sold it for $5.60. About 8 days ago, it was expire worthless. Visa $1.55 put, 7 cents, gonna expire worthless. May 8 $1.75 put, again gonna expire worthless. J&J $1.60 call, gonna expire worthless. I actually got 2 of those. Microsoft a $1.70 put. It's hanging in a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go all the way down to worthless. PG $1.12 put. That one may be in the money, but that's fine because I actually don't mind owning 100 shares of P&G or Procter & Gamble. McDonald's. It's hanging on a little bit, 78 cents. It's probably going to go expire worthless. Microsoft, a $1.75 put, about the same as the McDonald's. Now we're in the May 15th call. It's a $1.50 call. It's got some time to run and watch. We got a 15th McDonald's call. It's on its way to worthless. Visa $1.75 put. It's hanging in there. I don't mind owning Visa at all. Pepsi $1.30 put. May 15th. I may roll that out if it gets out of control. It's hanging in there for May 15th. Again, that's another one I don't mind owning if it comes out, because I want to start building up my dividend portfolio a little bit. Netflix a $4.20 put. I just sold like yesterday. I had actually want to pick up some Netflix shares, and that's why I sold this one so close to the money. So if it gets exercised, I'll be just fine with that. And here's that Apple again that I was talking about previously. So all in all, tomorrow going to be a pretty good day for options expiring. Then I'll just go in and sell them again. If y'all have any questions, just give me a comment in the comments, and hit like and subscribe, and let me know your questions, and let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.